we are going to find the value of x, y, z, w, and u, where we have these 5 equations. But where should we start the solution? Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this nice little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. To solve this question, I'm going to use the sum of these 5 equations. But how? To do this, I'm going to add all left sides together and right sides together. Let's see what happened. How many x's do we have here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I write here 6x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6y plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6z plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6w plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6u equals 6 plus 12 plus 24 plus 48 plus 96 is 186. To continue the solution, I'm going to factor 6 out from left side. It is going to be 6 times 6x divided by 6 is x plus 6y divided by 6 is y plus 6z divided by 6 is z, and 6w divided by 6 is w plus 6u divided by 6u equals 186. Now, let's find the value of x plus y plus 6 plus w plus y. To do this, we need to divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6, divide by 6. So this 6 can be cancelled off. So left side, we are going to have, let me write it here, x plus y plus z plus w plus u. 186 divided by 6 is 31. So keep it here. We need to use this x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 31 to continue the solution. But how? Look, first equation, we have 2x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 6. It can be written as 2x is same as x plus y plus z plus w plus u, right, equals 6. But what is this? In the last step, we already find the value of this, which means 31. So x plus 31. X plus 31 equals 6. Now, tell me, what is the value of x? To find the value of x, it is enough we do 6 minus 31. So the value of x is 6 minus 31 or negative 25. How easy, right? A big mathematics to the simple answer. Next, what is the second equation? I can write it as x plus 2y is same as y plus z plus w plus u equals 12. Now, if I cover this one, what is the value of x plus y plus z plus w plus u? 31. So I can write 31 plus this y equals 12. So what is the value of y? Y is going to be 12. Transpose this 31 to the other side. Do not forget, we need to change the sign. Minus 31. So y is negative 90. How exciting. Next one. What is x plus y plus 2z plus w plus u? Again, like last step. It is going to be x plus y. 2z can be written as z plus w plus u equals 24. Let me cover one z. So what is x plus u plus z plus w plus u? 31. So I can write z plus 31 equals 24. So let me find the value of z. Z is going to be 24 minus 31. So z is same as 24 minus 31 or negative 7. Next, we have x plus y plus z plus 2w plus u. So I want to rewrite this 2w as w plus w. Let me write x plus y plus z plus w plus u equals 48. Now, I'm going to cover this w. What is the value of x plus y plus z plus w plus u? Right, 31 plus this w equals 48. Now tell me, what is the value of w? Keep it left side, 48, transpose this 31 to the right side. Do not forget, change the sign, minus 31. So w is going to be 48 minus 31 or 17. And this is the value of w. And the last one, what do we have? 2u can be written as u plus u. So we have x plus y plus w plus z plus u equals 96. Exactly like last step, I want to cover one u. What is the value of x plus y plus w plus z plus u? 31. Let me write plus this u equals 96. So what is the value of u? Is going to be 96 minus 31. As you know, 96 minus 31 is going to be 65. So the value of u is 65. And these are our answer. X is going to be negative 25, y is going to be negative 19, z negative 7, w 17, and u 65. And that is how a big question turns to very simple answers. But do not forget, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. Have fun.